This is the index maintenance module, and we are discussing about the scanning method in the index. And scanning method, now we came to know, is the method where each and every record at the leaf level will be touched by the storage engine, and whether this record is qualifying or not, but it will be scanned by when we are using the scanning method. So after scanning, the qualifying records will be returned by the query. So there are two kinds of scanning: ordered scan, which is also known as key ordered scan, and the second one is allocation ordered scan. So first we will discuss about the ordered scan. In the ordered scan, when the query is passed by the query processor, for example, item ID, sales price, select item ID, sale price from products where sale price is greater than 100 and sale price is less than 100,000. When this query is passed to the engine, and the query processor will parse the query, and the storage engine will check the first the root page of the index, and the root it will check the root page from the index metadata. And this is the in the SQL server, this is like our product table, and on this product table we have the index, which is the clustered index, and clustered index key is the item ID. So when we will pass this query, what the engine will do, storage engine will check the root page ID. This we can check the root page ID by using the dbc commands c metadata into the this table name, and this is the HOBT root. This is the root page ID 232. This is the root page ID, and this is the file ID, this root page ID in this index file ID. So the storage engine will get the root page ID, and then it will read this root page ID into the memory, and from this root page ID, storage engine now have the information how to traverse through this index structure to the next level. So it will go to the next level, and then it will start searching this for these predicates which we have passed in the query. It will start scanning, and in the scanning it will find the this on the leaf level the page, and after scanning where the matching page, it will load into the memory, and then it will start reading the records from that page. Like this is the architecture. Query is passed by the query processor, and the query processor will ask to the storage engine, please find the records for this query. So storage engine will check, okay, the page is there already there in the buffer, in this plain cache or not. If it is already there, then it will start reading the page. It will read the first record, and after reading the first record, the this storage engine will return to the query processor. Query processor will do its processing, and then it will ask to the next record. It will again come in here, and it will read the next record sequentially, and then it will return to the query processor, and it will read all the records until it will read to the last record of this page. When the last record of this page will be returned by the storage engine to the query processor, then it will go to the header of this page and will find the next page ID from this header. And the next page ID, well, it will when it will read, and it will check the cache, the page is there not, then it will ask this plain cache buffer manager will ask to the storage engine, please read this page from the disks. The storage engine will go to the disk, and it will read that page into the buffer, and then the buffer will load it in the cache, and then again it will start reading each record from this page. Each record, when it will read, it will return to the query processor, and query processor will do its processing to return to the client. And like when all the records from this page will be finished, then it will go into the header of this page, and will check the from the header what is the next page ID. So this it will find the next page id, and then if it is already there in this memory, not if it is not there, then it will ask to this storage engine, please read this page from the disks. So it will read the next page into the this cache, and then again the same process will be started. It will start reading the record by record, and will return each record to the query processor, and query processor will doing its processing, and then it will ask for the next record. It will sequentially read the next record until the last matching record, which from this predicates 100 1000 will be find. When the last record will be matched and returned to the query processor, then the storage engine will give the signal to the query processor that the scanning is finished, and then this process will be finished. So the each page header has the id for the next logical page. So this is the ordered scan, which is also known as logical ordered scans. So this ordered scan or logical ordered scanning is going in this way.